Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best folding hunting knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Folding Hunting Knives. Having the right tools for the job is especially important for anyone who hunts. Whether you bow, rifle or spear hunt, having a knife to process game is a necessity. In this guide, we break down our top hunting knives. In addition to an overview of the specs and details of each knife, we will also feature a review of each knife left by one of our awesome customers. Number 5. Spring-Assisted Knife Pocket Folding Knife. Spring-assisted knife is equipped with a safe and reliable liner lock. Equipped with a thumb studs for right and left hand opening. Sharp foldable pocket knife. Jackknife. Main features. Made of high-quality steel. Red ergonomic handle. Made in USA. Number 4. Cold Steel Recon 1 Series Tactical Folding Knife. The Recon 1 is a popular knife with military and law enforcement personnel, fire and even the toughest jobs in the most taxing conditions. Main features. Comfortable and secure grip. Ultra-reliable locking mechanism. Premium steel. Number 3. Spyderco Tenacious Value Folding Knife. The blade's shape coupled with an oversized round hole allows you to open the blade and position your thumb on the spine in slip-proof confidence, ready for work. Main features. Superior blade steel. Black G10 laminate handy. Easy to use. Number 2. Buck Knives 110 Folding Hunter Lock Back Knife. Partnering with Taylor Guitars, the 110 Folding Hunter has sustainably sourced genuine ebony handle inlays and brass bolsters that provide a perfect combination of beauty and balance. Main features. Strength and safety. Convenient carry. Made in the USA. Number 1. Spring-Assisted Knife Pocket Folding. Knife with folding spring-assisted opening blade and pocket clip has a simple liner lock that is resistant to dirt and prevents unexpected closure. Equipped with the thumb studs for right. Main features. 440C stainless steel. High durability. Length 3.42 inches. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.